channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install MySQL on Windows. MySQL is a relational database management system which uses structured query language to manage and manipulate data. So let's get started. Open web browser. Here I have Google Chrome. You can open any web browser. Type MySQL. Open the very first link of MySQL. Click on downloads. Scroll down, click on MySQL Community Downloads, click on MySQL Installer for Windows. As you can see, 8.0.43 is the current latest version. Click on this download. No thanks, just start my download. It will take some time, depend on your network speed. So let's wait for some time. So yeah, it's done. Go to file location, right click on file, open. Yes. Again yes. Here we will choose custom so that we can see what products we are installing manually. Click on next. Expand the MySQL servers. Add that. Expand applications. Expand MySQL workbench. Edit. Expand MySQL shell and add it. Click on next. Click on execute. So yeah, we are done. Click on next. Click on next. So here we can see our port number is 3306. Click on next. Click on next. Here we have to set the password for our MySQL. So here I am typing password as password so that I could remember. So it will not affect as you are going to use MySQL on your device. So I don't think so any difficult password is required. So let me just type password and again password. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next and click on execute. So we are done with configuration. Click on next. Let me just uncheck these boxes and click on next. Now go to C drive, go to program files, MySQL, MySQL server, bin, copy this path and then open environment variables. Click on environment variables. Double click on path in system variables, create a new environment variable and paste this path. Click on OK, OK and OK. To verify whether MySQL has been successfully installed, open command prompt and type MySQL version. As you can see, we have successfully installed the MySQL current version. So now let's create a database with a table and some data. For that, we can use either MySQL command line. So as the name suggests, we will be creating databases and tables in command line, or we can also use MySQL Workbench, which is a graphical user interface, so it will be an application. So let's get started. Let me just close all this and open MySQL command line. So our password was, as you can remember, it was password only. So let's write password. So yeah, now we can check what all databases are currently available. So these are the default databases. Now we have to create a database. For that, we have to write create database and the database name. So here let's take college, create database college. So if I check again, as you can see, the college database has been created. Now let's create a table. For that, we have to insert create table student. Student is the table name, and inside that we need to add some attributes. So let's add a student ID, and as you know, student ID will be of integer, so and add some name as well. Not int, sorry, my bad, varchar. So varchar is used to accept an string, so let's give it as 50 size, and then std underscore marks, and marks is also of int type. So yeah, we can proceed, I guess. Oh, sorry, my bad. After creating the database, we have to define which database we are using. So we have to type use and the database name. Here our database name was college. So yeah, after this we have to create the table. So as you can see, it got created, and to verify that I need to I need to type show tables. So yeah, as we can see, student table has been created. Now let's insert some values into the table. For that, we have to type insert into student values, and let's consider 1 as the ID, and let's consider my name, and I got, suppose, 80 marks. It got inserted, and let's consider another value, make it as 2, and I can take any name, so let's consider Prince, and he got 90 marks. So let's check whether these values got inserted. For that, we have to type select star from table name. So our table name was student. So as you can see, data got inserted into the table. Now let's update some values of the table. So let's update the marks of Anand. For that, we have to write type table name, which is student, and then set std underscore marks is equal to, let's take 85, where std underscore id is equal to 1. So if we proceed, and if we check again, you will see that it got updated. So now Anand has 85 marks and Prince has 90 marks. So Anand is jealous of Prince. So let me just remove Prince. For that we have to write delete from table name, which is student, where std_id is equal to 2. So to verify we have to write this command. So yeah, the Prince row has been deleted, so only one row is visible. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it.